Look what happens if you wash your clothes with aspirin. Just awesome! Aspirin is one of the most well-known medicines around the world as it has been used for years. Its formula was developed by Felix Hoffmann in the year 1897, although data exists that refer its use to the natural one, white willow bark, for centuries. But these not only have a pharmaceutical use, it has also been known to be very useful for cleaning clothes. According to people who have already used them for this, they say that the clothes have come out so clean that they have left them surprised. These are so good for cleaning fabrics that they are even able to remove yellowish and old stains from clothing. The formula for cleaning clothes with aspirin is as follows. 1. Dissolve 5 milliliters of aspirin in 2 liters of hot water. 2. Then leave the garments you want to bleach or the garments per cutidas all night in this solution. No part of the fabric should be left out of the water for the action to be even. Then wash the clothes in a normal way and you will see that it is much cleaner. 3. To better clean all types of garments, add 5 aspirin in the wash cycle of the washing machine. We use it to indicate that aspirin is also very good for the face. Among all homemade masks, one of the most popular is aspirin and honey. Many people do not know this mask or its fantastic properties. In addition to being very easy and cheap, we will phenomenal to exfoliate and give life to our skin. Once dissolved 2 or 3 aspirins in a teaspoon of warm water, add the honey until a granular paste is obtained. It is applied on clean skin, with circular movements to promote the exfoliation, and thus the enzymes of honey can do better work.